Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another edition of Toy Loving Teacher. It's a little bit dark in here. It's kind of a rainy day where we live, but we thought we would brighten the day up a little bit by opening some brand new toys. Let's start with my very favorite. This toy is fast becoming my favorite unboxing. They are the Disney Doorables. I believe this is series 2. Can I see? This pack is a mini pack, so it comes with either 2 or 3. Oh, you know what? We were doing so good and opening some of the plastic ahead of time, and I totally forgot about these. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of stood in the store and shook them, hoping for a 3-pack. So here we go. We're going to open the first door. We got a 2-pack, but it looks like a good one. Is that LeFou? From Beauty and the Beast, I think. And he has glittery eyes, if you can see them. Nope. Oh dear. There we go. And then, you guys are gonna love this one. We got Elsa. Oh, she's beautiful. Not only does she have glittery eyes, but she has glittery hair. Elsa is ultra rare. And how about our guy? Let's get them both up on the screen. How about our guy from Beauty and the Beast? You know, Beauty and the Beast is my favorite Disney. He's common, but that is super awesome pack. It wasn't a 3-pack, but it was a good shake. Okay. It's not wanting to focus in. Maybe if I zoom in on Willy Wungy over there, you can see Willy Wungy has a new friend. It's a dinosaur from I think it's D-Stroller, USA company. And he has a little nookie. We love it. Okay, our next toy to open is very exciting. It is Masham's, but something we've never ever seen before because it is Masham's Harry Potter. Now, we love all Harry Potter figurines. Excuse me, that was my dog. I am hoping for Voldemort. Oh, I said his name. But my daughter is hoping for a Dobby. Let's see. I like the black ball. So, it says Masham's on the top. Oh, nope. Who did we get? Harry. And these are great. He's very sticky and very squeezable. That was a fun pack. Let's add Harry. Maybe he'll cast some magic on the rest of ours and give us some more rare toys. Next up, something new for us, though I think they've been out a while. It's called Little Big Bites by For Real Pets. It says, dare to unbox the bite. So, I'm going to take the box out. I hear something in there. And I think I'm supposed to stick my finger in to open it, but it doesn't look very fun to do that. I'm feeling a little nervous. Oh, it did bite me. Let me pull it out the rest of the way. It is a dog with a big mouth. Can I make him bite me again? Oh, I can. See? Oh, and when I press that little button, that's what makes you bite him. Oh, let's try that again. So if I put him in there, and then now that I know this trick, yep, then it bites right on. Super cool. Kind of looks like a bulldog, and that's what we have. Let me get out the mat for the kids. Now, there is a blind bag in here. Let's see what this is all about. Does our dog have a name? Oh, our dog got a bone. And I think the dog, let's see if I can open him back up again. I wonder if I can make him bite the bone. I can. And then he would hang right on there. Now, also in this, oh, it's a little stand for him. He is from the Town and Country, whoops, sorry, my hand was in there. He is from the Town and Country series, and he is hungry. This was a fun one. I like that little guy. I think we're gonna stick him right in there. Okay, we have not had a Hatchimal on ours for a while, and these are the newer Mermaid Magic. Now it says Magic Water Reveal, so it's going to reveal with water. Let me just, I'm going to kind of snip the tape a little bit. There we go. Oh, it's just not wanting to open. My daughter's running to get some water. Ooh. While we're waiting, here is the Mermaid Magic map. This is season 5, and just different areas that they can come from in Hatchtopia. And then there are a ton of different that you can get. Now we got the Mermals because I can tell because it has this type of shell. So I think I still have to rub it. My hands are notoriously cold though. Do I still have to rub it to open it, you guys? Oh, yep. And I softened it up a little bit. Let's see here. Oh, he is a cutie. He's got little teeth. Come on out, come on out. Is it a walrus? I think it is. Take a look at him. He has a green tail and little tusks. He is more Merwalren. Now, ooh, sorry, Merwalren was getting a little camera shy. Let's put him in the water. The water adds a little detail on his tummy. It's kind of hard to see. I'm really sorry about our lighting today, boys and girls. But he also has glittery wings. He is adorable, and he will be fun in my son's treehouse. Okay, now our two bigger surprises. This is, ooh, there's some better lighting. The Pikmi Pop Do-Mi's. It's a jelly Pikmi, and we crack to reveal it. Now, you know me. I'm really hoping there's a llama in here. Let's see here. So it's a cute little donut container, which would be fun just to store stuff in anyhow. Now I'm supposed to push this, I think. That's gross. And inside the grossness. Oh, is it a crab? Sure looks like one. It's a little purple squishy crab. He would be fun to sit on top of my pencil. He is a jelly Pikmi, kind of like a jelly donut. I like jelly donuts quite a bit. Okay, now, nope, he doesn't smell. I gave him a smell, but he doesn't smell. Come on, llama. I don't know if they go with certain pals, so. Oh, ooh, even more surprising here. I thought I would just open it. I don't. I think if I open the little packs inside, it might give away what I have. So we might as well go for the big one. I can hear you all chanting for me in your living rooms. Llama, llama, llama. Thanks for that chant, boys and girls. Oh, I don't think so. What is this? Oh, peekaboo, I see you. It's another turtle and it hides from you. That's pretty adorable. Oh, it's so camera shy. Peek, peek. Kind of smells a little bit. I don't know what it smells like. Let me pass it around and see what they think it smells like while I open another bag. Do you guys think it smells? They're not sure. It might just be the essential oils I was diffusing. Might be stuck in my nose. Now, I have... Oh, it is. We got the grape jelly hermit crab. His name is Pippies. And then it says, it's great to meet you. And then, oh, where? I'm looking for the turtle. Oh my goodness, my daughter is yelling at me. I'm not doing it right. We did. We got a Sweet Peaks, which is rare. Ooh, Harry Potter was lucky for us. It is Tux the turtle, and Tux can hide under his shell. And then we have this case up here. So that's pretty cool. Pippi. Oh, we also got a rare jelly center. The hermit crab is also rare, so that's exciting. And then we got some special cords so we can take them anywhere. And Tux the turtle says, you bake my day. Ha, because he's a donut. Okay, let's get that turtle on the screen and we'll get his little hermit crab friend right in the middle. Let's open a few more things. My scissors is not cutting today. Oh, look at it, was tear strip. Some fun stickers. Let's see if there's some other tear. Oh, goodness gracious, there is a... Oh! Look at this little buddy. It is a penguin donut with a little back. Feels wobbly, like it should come apart, but maybe not. It feels like something's in there. I'm going to pass that to my daughter while I open the last bag. And then last but not least, I got a string, I think, for my little penguin. And, oh, I did get a llama keychain. And then some more graphic stickers. That's fun. Let me see here. We did get that penguin open, and inside the penguin, I don't know what that is. Oh, I think it's a little bug of some kind inside the penguin. That's weird. Well, how fun is that? Are those on? Is the penguin friend on the... No, that was an extra surprise. Let me clip the penguin back together and put him by his donut pals. Okay. Now, the last one my kids have been waiting for a while. It is the new Noms snack pack. It is the snackable pizza kit. Let me see if I can zoom in. It's create your favorite pizza. Slime sauces and surprise toppings inside. And if we look at the back, we're going to get 5 pieces of pizza crust, 3 slime sauces, 14 toppings, and 1 pizza cutter. We could make a meat lovers, a s'mores, a gummy candy, or a veggie lover. Ooh, I'm hoping for s'more or meat lover. We'll have to see what we get. Okay, so let me just see what we can do here. Oh, more tape. Boys and girls, remember, always ask Mom and Dad if you can use the scissors. Okay. Ooh, it opens. If you can see that, boys and girls, it opens like a pizza box, except I think I took the whole thing with me. Oh, this is fantastic. Take a look at that. So it's all of the pizza. We have a cutter, the slices, the pizza slime sauces, and some little blind bags. Now, we also got here we have the different pieces, and I think we got all the different pizza slices that they do offer. Then there are the slimes. Let's see what happens here. So it says, here are the directions, and I always believe in following the directions. Goodness gracious, we have a little technical difficulty here. So it says, remove the seal on the slime sauce. There's a secret topping character inside. Pick a pizza crust and spread the slime onto the crust. Add your toppings to the crust and then serve your pizza. So let's see here. Ooh, they're kind of rubbery. So we have a bunny slice. Kind of looks like a dog or a fox. Ha! That one has a bite out already. Maybe another bunny. And a bear. Oh, this one looks so sad. He doesn't want to be eaten. And that guy. Let's try a secret slime sauce. So here's our first slime. Ooh! Take a smell of that one. I think it's strawberry. I think it is strawberry. No, none got on your nose. It's kind of gooey. Uh-huh. There's a guy in there. Oh, something's wet in this one. This slime has coagulated. Oh, it did. It's like a cube. It's not even slime. It is, I can't spread that. Noms, I am a little disappointed. How can I spread the slime on my pizza? This is making me a little sad. So, I'm going to pop that back in. This is wet and gooey. Let me see if I can. And I got this little guy. This is, oh, I think I got a gummy pizza because this is baby lemon drop. Okay, let's see if this slime is any better. That first slime really disappointed me. Makes me sad, Nom Nom. No, this is very sad. This slime is no good too. It is just, and there's water in it. So this is the malted marshmallow. And in it, oh, we got, it's really hard to see. I'm really sorry about the light, my friends. We got a graham cracker. And this one has a pink bow. So it's a choco square. It is not a graham cracker. It is a choco square. And then last but not least, come on, good slime. No, I'm really thinking this is not good slime either. No. Total bummer. It doesn't even smell good. This is melted mozzarella, and I love cheese. Nothing. Ooh. But I think we maybe got a tomato. Oh, nope. We got a peppy roll. Pepperoni. It's a pepperoni. Well, that just makes me sad my slime won't spread. But I could add my toppings. They say not having cheese is good for you, but man, I'm from Wisconsin. I love my cheese. Oh, pizza cutter is cool. It really rolls. That would be fun to play. Let's open the rest of our topping bags and see what we have. I need you to stay on this side. So, another topping that I got. This one, oh, it's another gummy. Oh, it's adorable. It is Rosy Gum Gum. Love that one. Okay. Oh, another gummy. It looks like a little cat jelly bean. This is Sour Kitty. It's from the Sweets collection. You know, that coagulated slime. Coagulated means things start to harden up together. Makes my, oh, it looks like a marshmallow. Yeah. Nope. Yep, it's very fluffy. I think it is a marshmallow. These have nice little tear holes. Ooh, looks like a little chocolate chip. This is Swirly Chip. Nice to meet you. Ooh, that's a big one. A big blue one. I think it's going to be Wiggly Walrus. Let's see. I sure hope so, because he is adorable. He's from the gummy. Oh! Oh! This is the best one ever. He looks just like a gumdrop. We got 2 walruses today. It's our lucky day. Oh, he even has a cute little flipper. Can you see that on the back? Aw. Okay. Come on. Open up, open up. Woo! Woo! I flung that one. It's a little orange bunny. Nope, it's Sherbert Bunny. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. That was a very Midwest pronunciation. It's sherbet or sherbet, not sherbert. These are bouncy and fun. Okay, let's see this. Ooh, ooh, another pink gummy bear. Wait a minute. Let's compare. 2. Okay, I was wrong. This one is Berry Cub. This one is Rosy Gum Gum. But they can be friends. They look good enough to eat. They look like real gummy bears. Boys and girls, don't eat your toys. But it's making me hungry. Not that slime, though. Oh, it's a tomato. That's adorable. That is Baby Mato. Hello. Ooh, this is another big one. Let's see here. Come on. Some of these bags got a little wet when the slime water leaked, which is weird, slime water. Oh, it's a sausage, I think.
I think it's dope.
What is this? It's not a yolk. What is that? This is Meatball Kitty. Okay, 2 more, friends. Oh, I think it's a pepper. Oh, my goodness. It is Billy Belly Pepper. Oh, okay, last one. It's a mushroom. I can just tell. Right there it is. It is a mushroom. It is Fab Fungi. Oh, well, my goodness gracious. We are going to put our pizzas together without the sauce, but that's okay. And we're going to say goodbye today, boys and girls. Until next time, have so much fun playing. If you're on spring break, have lots and lots of fun. And if you're still waiting for spring break to come, good luck. It'll come soon enough. Remember, your toys love to be read to. Read them a story. Have a great night.